Well, so much for the best laid plans of mice and men. After getting the pots stacked up, I discovered they were too flexible and would not work. So I found some other pots that were stiffer, and that's what I'm using now, except for the top part, which is one of the purple pots that I originally started with.
Great. And this green pot with the petunias in it, I'm thinking about doing the same thing. And I know Bruce thinks I'm crazy, but I already had the rebarb. I already had the pots. And we have pots everywhere. And it would be very nice to have the pots going vertical rather than horizontal all over the place. So we'll give it a try and see what happens.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.